Assalamualaikum, my dear ladies and gentlemen. How are you all? Hope all of you are keeping yourself cool and fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I'm also keeping myself great by the grace of Almighty Allah. So today, I'm back again with a beautiful trick. And guys, I think all of you will like this trick so much because this trick will be very wonderful and will be very cool trick because this is invented by our Yasi sir. So, you know that this trick is very beautiful in case of only 11th multiplication because we face many problems while going to any higher digits multiplication. We only know from 1 to 10. And after 10, we face many problems of multiplication. So for this, our Yasi sir invented a trick of 11th multiplication trick. So today in this video, I'm going to show you this trick. Without extra time wasting, let's watch and learn this trick together. Well, at first, let's try to do this trick. Okay? So yeah. Now, guys, can you say 24 into 11 equals to what? Oh, it's 264. And if I write it as, yeah, now if I write it as this kind, 264. Now guys, I think all of you can understand. Yeah, it is 264. Now, the question is, how did I find this answer? Is there any magic in my mind? Or is there any magical ghost in my mind? Now, it is a trick because I'm following a trick. So for this, I'm becoming easier. It is very easy for me to do this trick. Now, let's try to do this one. Oh, calculator is not working, guys. Okay, I'm checking. Yeah, it's working now. So yeah. Okay, I think all of you can watch my screen. Now, let's do this one. It is, yeah, 24 into 11. Yes, my answer is correct. But main question will arise to you that how did I do this? Is there any magic or is there any solution to do this? The only solution is to follow this trick. Because if you not follow this trick, then you will fail to do this. Now let's try to do it together. Then 74 into 11, what will be? Now 4. Okay, it is 4. Then 1. Then 8. Okay, now let's talk about that. How did I do this? And how did I teach you? Okay. The answer is, I forgot, it is 8, 1, 4 maybe. Yeah, it's 8, 1, 4. Yeah, my answer is correct. So at first, you have to remember one thing. It is these rules. Number 1 rule. Put ones and tens digit of the left number in answer and keep space in middle. You shouldn't think about this 8. This 8 is not needed because we are learning trick. So we are learning 11th multiplication trick, so we shouldn't depend on it. We should depend on this number only. We should depend on this number. So I think all of you understood. Now let's try to do this. Okay. Yeah. I think all of you can watch it. Then we found that put one's digit. For example, I'm doing the first one. You should put 2 and 4 in their answer and keep a space in the middle side. I mean, keep a space in the middle side so we can write the 50% answer. So at first your 50% answer is correct. Now, if you want to try, if you try to find the 50% answer again, then we should add these two numbers. Now, these two rules you have to follow only. Now, number 2 is now add ones and tens digit of the left number and put the solution in the middle of the number. Now, here you can see don't follow this 11 because it's not necessary for you. Only the necessary thing is this one. It is 24. So now the second rule is you have to add 2 and 4. Then you found 6. So you should put the 6 in the middle of the answer. Then your 60 per 50 per 100% answer is correct. So if you search the calculator, you will find the same answer. Now the most major one, because there is some, I mean, a little bit tricky. So I will teach you that how to do this. Yeah. Now in the down part, you see that there is a notice. If the answer of addition comes of 2 digits, then carry the number and then add the carry with tens digit. Now, here you see, at first I like to say that don't follow this 11. Think about this one only. Okay, now think about 11. You should put only 4 at first because there's some tricky reasons. So you should put the 4 in the answer. You put it in the answer. Now, add the 7 and 4. It is like the rules, but there is some tricky reasons. You should add 7 and 4. Then you found 11. 11, it is the main reason for being a tricky because if there's 11, sometimes problems can occur. If you find there are 2 digits, then you put only 1 digit. Suppose I got 7 plus 4 equals to 11. I put only 1 and then I keep carry 1 in my mind. And then there is the tens digit. You should add the 1, carry 1 with 7. So you found 8. So this is our answer. We found it. Now, let's go add to the next one. So now let's think about this one answer. So I think guys, all of you have already known about this answer. It is 6, 9, then 3. Now let's talk about this. So at first you put 3 and 6 in the left and right side and put as little bit space in the middle one and keep a little bit space. So at first you should add the both so that if the answer is only of 1 digit, so don't think about it so seriously. But if the answer after additioning it, if the answer comes 2 digits, then only put 1 and carry 1 in your mind, and then the main digits, tens number that you found it, you should add the carry with it, then you found the answer, then keep it. Now let's talk about the rule. You should put, because when we found 6 plus 3, only 9 comes. There's not in 1 digit, so you don't think about it. Only put 9 in the middle side, then write 3 and 6 in the left side and right side. So solved, 100% solved. Our answer. Yeah, our 100% answer is solved. Now, let's talk about another last one it is. So the last one is 72 into 11. So it is like the previous one. So all of you should do one work. It is, if you at first you should add these two numbers, 7 and 2, you found 9. So there's not any problem because you don't have to carry on this on that solution. So put the direct number 7 plus 2 equals 9 in the middle side, and then put 7 in the left side, and then put 2 in the right side. That's it. Your answer is found. Our previous answer was 3, 6, 9. Then yeah, is 396. Sorry, I was incorrect. Now our answer is solved. So yeah, guys, I hope all of you have liked this trick, and I hope all of you have learned this trick, because this trick is very important for all of us to learn, because when we pass the 11th multiplication trick, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, then we face many types of difficulties while doing this type of multiplication in head. So if we follow traditional system, we find some many problems while doing, and it needs, the three main reasons are there. That is, it's a lot boring. Number 2 is it sucks a lot of time, and number 3 is it's not so used. For these 3 reasons, the traditional trick is very bad. So if you follow this mathematics, then you can be a great mathematician, and you can do any maths within 10 to 2 seconds, only 2 seconds. So yeah, that's all for today. I'll come with another video soon. Till then, stay with me on my YouTube channel, Abrar Labib, and don't forget to like and share this video with others so that they can be helpful with this learning trick, and also you can be also helpful through learning this trick. So yeah, till then, stay safe, wear mask, and keep social distance. So Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum. Bye bye.